गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। सो हम जेई और नीट लेवल का फिजिक्स आपके लिए लेके आए हैं। सो व्हाट्सएप चैनल पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। सो इस चैनल को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कम से कम 3 दोस्तों को जरूर फॉरवर्ड कीजिए। सो आप हमारे चैनल से जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा स्टूडेंट्स। सो हम आपके लिए फिजिक्स लेवल में जेई और नीट दोनों का हम फिजिक्स लेके आए हैं। सो आज हम आपको स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं काइनेटिक मोशंस, और ये मैकेनिक्स से पूरी 11th क्लासेस की है, जो कि ज़्यादातर मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस इसमें पूछे जाते हैं। ओके, सो देखिएगा स्टूडेंट। सो फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, प्लेन ऑफ मोशन। So there are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. There are two axes. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay. O is the origin, and if any point P, this x-axis is distance x. So also this is the x. And y, and this is the y. So x and y, there are two axes of motion of plane of motions. Okay, so both are same. इसमें यदि रिलेटिव वेलोसिटीज और रिलेटिव रिजल्टेंट्स का कॉन्सेप्ट आता है, सो r इज इक्वल टू xi प्लस yj. Okay, so this is the K, and the standard formula under x square y square. So x और y की वैल्यूज होती है। यदि हम 3 एक्सिस में कवर करते हैं मोशन 3 एक्सिस में, तो देन सेकेंड दिस z axis and this component is k and this is the I and this is j. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो के एक्सिस इज द p। अब ये 3D स्ट्रक्चर्स में प्लॉटेड होगी। सो रिजल्टेंट r इक्वल टू xi yj एंड zk, और इसका रिजल्टेंट क्या होगा? सिंपली अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर एंड जेड स्क्वायर। Okay student, so plane of motions and motion of a plane both are same. Okay, अब इसमें डॉट प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट पर मोशन ऑफ प्लेन में आते हैं। जो ये तो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ, दिस इज द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मोशन ऑफ अ प्लेन। Using the 3 equations, motion of equation of motion. So equation of motion is equal to, first v is equal to u plus at, okay, and second s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as, where v is equal to final velocity, u is equal to initial velocity, a is equal to acceleration, okay, t is equal to time, and s is equal to displacement. Okay friends, so very easy. There are 3 equations. Kinetic में ये 3 इक्वेशंस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं, यूज होती है, इसीलिए हम प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशंस भी बताना चाहेंगे आपको। सो व्हाट इज अ प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन? सो एनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स थ्रू एनी other axis, this is the x axis and this is the horizontal and this is the ground. Okay, and g is the gravitational and velocity v, and velocity v2 also g apply, if O is a body object, okay, simple. Round of H, this is the distance of ground. You dotted these lines is also ground. Okay, so we will be consider that, and G is the gravitational, and initial velocity is ux. Ux is equal to 0. Okay, students. So this is the initial velocity, and acceleration is g. So a y axis. This is the y axis, and this is the x axis. There are two equations are projectile motions. This up to height, and second time up to ground. This is the ground. Okay, and O, this is the H maximum, making this angle theta. So ux and uy, there are two velocities. We can see the pictures. This is the x-axis and y-axis. Also h maximum, so height of the stone. This is the ux is equal to, making this angle touching this axis. So ux equal to u cos theta, and uy equal to u sin theta, and this is the u are, there are two components each other, ux and uy. Okay, and O to A is the maximum range. Okay, and P is any point x and y also. Okay, student. So there are projectile motions. There are two terms, is up in height and up throw in the ground. Okay, so थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपको आज का लेक्चर हमारा कैसा लगा आप बिल्कुल बताइए, और कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो आप उसमें डालिएगा, तो हम उसका रिन्यू पार्ट्स आपको देंगे जल्दी से जल्दी. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. So students, projectile fired parallel to horizontal and vertical. Okay, so let me introduce. This is height h. Okay, and this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Okay, ux the initial velocity, and this is the ground. Okay, and this is the range, है ना. So this is the parabolic equations, and G is the gravitational, and B is the velocity. Okay, so equation of parabolic, y is equal to, so very simple, 1 by 2 g by u, and x square u square also. So u is the initial velocity, x is the distance of x-axis, and y, this is the half parabolic equations. Okay, and we will be consider second axis and file to the, this is the parabolic equations. So y is equal to 1 by 2 g x square u square. The projectile fired parallel to horizontal, vertical. This is the parabolic equation, and comparing this parabolic equation, y is equal to bx square. So where b equal to 1 by 2 g u square x square. Sorry, x. Remove this x square. So comparing this b located at this b is constant. This is the fixed value, and g is the gravitational acceleration. This is the value of g equal to known as this 9.8 meter per second square, and easily we can use 10 meter per second square approximately. Okay, so depending on these options, Okay, the half parabolic equations. This is the half parabolic equation. Okay, of projectile. And then again parabolic equations. So, students, is the second projectile fired at an angle with horizontal, the figure. This is the x axis and y axis also. And if any object through this shape is parabolic, making this angle theta. So initial velocity is u, and there are two components are divided, ux and uy also, and use in simply mathematically rules. If p is any point x and y, and this attach x and y axis, this point is a and this point is b. Okay, easy. And top at the situation at point, any point q, and this is the height, maximum height, and this object is x-axis. If any point p, if any other points is the maximum range. Is consider that. Okay, so these equations, and there are u is the velocity, and there are two components, ux and uy. So ux is equal to simple u cos theta, and uy is simple u sin theta. Okay, making this axis is u component, that divided is cos theta, and this is the sin theta. Okay, and this is the equation of parabolic. Is y equal to simply dot at is x tan theta. So very simple, easy, x tan theta minus g upon u square cos square theta, and this is the x square. Okay, and 2 also. This is the cos square theta is square. Okay, g is the gravitational acceleration, and tan theta, this is the depending this cos theta and sin theta also. So y is equal to x, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, minus g upon 2u square cos square theta and x square. This is the equation of parabolic, full parabolic equations, parabolic equation of the projectile. So very simple. Okay, use as this formula with the more than question solved. Okay, JEE and NEET level. So all the students, please concentrate this formula, and making this next formula is horizontal range, time of flight. So what is the time of flight? So very easy time of flight, and throw if any object is other axis to O to Q and Q to S. This is the total time. This time is called time of flight, and this is the formula. So T, capital T or small t, as you like, T is equal to 2u sin theta upon G. This is the standard formula used, and maximum height and range. Okay, so this is the time of flight. U is the velocity, initial velocity of if any objects and bodies also, and G is the gravitational accelerations. Okay, and depend this in angle. So we are given the angle theta G is also 9.8. Suppose that 30 degree, and this is initial velocity is suppose 2.7 meter per second. To find the time of flight, easy, putting this value in above formula, and we can calculate this time of flight. So very easy. Okay. Okay. So next is maximum height. Maximum height h. So h simple height we can calculate. So this formula in this according to these pictures. Okay, and this is the h. H is the, we can see. Okay, h is the maximum height. Okay, so simple height is equal to formula u square sin square theta upon g, and also depend in this making this angle theta. So throw depend on this angle. So very easy. Theta equal to 45 degrees. So maximum height produced in this formula, and range r equal to, we can calculate easily 2u sin theta 2g upon u square sin theta upon g. Okay, this is the range of in projectile, and depending on this formula we can calculate easily. Okay, so dependent on these questions, and so very easy to solve using this formula, the maximum height, range, and time of flight. So projectile motion also. Okay, so thank you very much student. So हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, और अच्छे लगे तो आगे फॉरवर्ड कीजिए। आप लोग हमारे जेईई नीट और इसका क्रैश कोर्स अटेंड करना चाहते हैं तो आप दिए हुए लिंक पे जाकर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।